Clean start. And Party Italy, followed by Armstrong. Tight, but Alan is in the lead right now with Armstrong. We've got Merrifield in third position, Party moving in third. Alan is holding on to that lead. Bringing it down to next up and Armstrong. Followed by Party, who has moved to second position. It is